What's up, guys? Okay, so I just pulled up to one of our GC's house. He's got a PMA, a preventive maintenance agreement. He's got 4 units on his house, y'all. But of course, I read in my job notes on my device that upstairs unit is not cooling as it should. So I'm going to not worry about the maintenance. That's not high on my priority. It's wanting to rain. I done had to sit in the van and wait. And now I think I got a break in the weather. So I'm going to try to go over there, and I'm going to go straight to the upstairs unit, and I'm going to see if I can see if there's any problems. What's up, guys? So I come back in the house, made the thermostat call for air conditioning, and set my 8-foot ladder up. That's where I'm gonna have to go to get up into the attic. But the second thing I actually did after I made the thermostat call for it was check the air filter. Okay, and this is our air filter. Yeah, she's pretty stopped up. Completely, totally, and utterly stopped up, I have to say. But that's just the first thing that I checked, and we will get up in the attic and see what that drain line looks like. Okay, guys, I have made it up in the attic. I wish I have not been lucky this week at all about having the luxury of a drop-down staircase. So I made up my 8-foot ladder, which is almost too short. Okay, you almost need a 10-foot to be safe, but I'm tall enough. I'm 6 foot and 6'1" with my boots on, so I got up here without an issue. All right, so let's check this drain out. And looking in here, it ain't looking too good, guys. Got a bunch of junk down in there. So I'm gonna blow this thing out with the nitrogen. Yeah, I didn't bring my drain cat. My drain cat has some issues. So instead of working smarter, instead of harder, I'm working stupid. Okay, it's no other way to put it than just total dumbass, because there is a better way, and it's the drain cat. But yes, I've got to use the big heavy nitrogen tank, which is what I'm reduced to when my good tools mess up. So but hopefully I'll have that back up and going before long. All right, let's get this down in here. I don't want to be sprayed in the face with Legionnaire's disease. Alright, guys, let's see. I like my drain cat, so see, you know what? Let's do this. How about that? How about putting a knee on it? How about that? How about putting the old how you doing with the knee? How about that? Alright. Alrighty. Of course we're clean, right? Alright, guys, so drain line was stopped up. The air filter was, wow, completely, totally, and utterly stopped up. So we need to go out. We'll see what our pressures are looking like. Okay. Oh, look. This is where I belong. Under my little tent. Whew. At least it stopped raining. Thank God. Okay, guys. Alrighty, let's see, what have we got? It's been running been running for probably about 20 or so minutes now, and it's 75 degrees out here because it just got done raining, and it may start raining again. Looks like the coil, of course, is dried off enough now. The condenser coil is dried off enough now to be able to get the proper pressure reading, and it's been running long enough. So we're running 125, 130 on suction, and what is that? 285, yeah, on the head pressure. So I'm gonna have to say this is another one in the bag. You know, I hope this is a lesson to some of the younger guys out there. It don't always have to be something complicated. I mean, this was just lack of maintenance, stopped up air filter and a stopped up condensate drain line and trap. So yeah, you're not going to properly dehumidify at all. You're not going to dehumidify at all in situations like that. Alright guys, this one's fixed. Y'all like, subscribe, and comment for more content. Alright guys, y'all have a good evening. I hope everybody stays safe. Work smarter, not harder. And for God's sake, if you can help it, don't work stupid. Alright guys.